Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands listed in today's order. Speaker sir, Home Department ache uloitna police water. I begin by commending the bravery and services of our brave police and emergency services. Police water maga dista Speaker sir. But however, jenna e munta, there are a lot of rotten apples everywhere where we go, and this has basically brought bad name to their colleagues in the police department. Ana Speaker sir, of late, maga dista police personnel they are on the radar of the department for being addicted to alcohol, drugs, and even gambling. Speaker sir, or ek note maga dista viral zalo, and a note barikshe signed by the SP. It has been reported that nowadays there is an increase in the number of alcohol and drug addicts among police officials, thus spoiling physical as well as mental health. The police station units, restrooms have become places of officers as well as lower staff to consume alcohol. Drugs on duty and gambling is part of activities in police stations and units. Yes, because this is an absolutely shocking thing. And yet, Speaker, this internal note moved within the department itself, Speaker, has flagged off concerns of alcoholism, drug abuse among police officials today. Police hui tinga zoritor sogle ganja, soro, kadani, he sole zoritor te police ko dei zalar common mananani kit korpaje, Speaker sir. And I believe there has to be seriousness. And if there is no seriousness, the immediate and stringent actions on these addicted people during duty hours has to be taken. Because zaite suvidai they do, counseling, anti-alcoholism, anti-narcotism, je seminar jaopak jai. Hui na hui maga dista, the government basically has failed to bring immediate measures to curb this rising trend. And that's because the police, although they have performed well in nabbing the culprits, but because if you look at the conviction rate, conviction rate of the apprehend is very low. Conviction rate, overall conviction rate of India is about 57%. And if you look at the Goa conviction rate, it is about, for 2022 with criminal cases was 25.7%. And in 2023, this further dropped to 19.8%. So, hui na hui conviction rate.
Overall, it comes to the 40%. Atachi just recent je आपण नो. ते सांगतो तुका तू फक्त specific सांगले म्हणून आम्ही सांगले.
Overall, India's 57% हा.
अरे आता मी improve करून 40% cher गेले.
ना, improve बरे हा. India's 57% हा. Speaker sir, this is basically because of the failure to collect evidence. आणि जे witness असता, त्यांका because the department has failed with this department. That is why basically this crime detection, because I believe is ye conviction ha, ye conviction hui na hu deont ha. Because crime against women, every young girl today vadot ha, kidak vadta zayet tareche migrant, non-Goans are involved in this sexual crimes against women. Jenna ye zata we proposed for a calling attention moves you all proposed that a bill atle man. Because a conviction of crime against women, a conviction ache sangte tuka in Goa is 21%, and national average is 26%. Pendency of such cases because is almost 95.3%. Because crime against children, ye figures conviction rate of cases in Goa is 13.8%. And 19.8% pade ha national average ha. So the pendency of child-related cases je pade ha is because is almost 96%. Because एक incident जो झालो आसा गांव या आसा गांव मुखार गांव आमचे आस्तले काय कितें has exposed the entire department. आमी त्या जाग्यार आमी गेल्ले सकाळी गेल्ले मागीर रातीको मुख्यमंत्री आयलो, local MLA ahli, but because of what actually happened there. Because local MLA Delilah Lobo also was there. She was also trying to help around. But what turned, I think the people of Goa need to understand and need to know. If you look at the nexus between police, politicians, and criminal, this nexus, and it looks like several officers were involved with Delhi land investors and bankers. Speaker sir, the reality of how the police are lawbreakers instead of law enforcers, in particular case in Amka, we came to know, and this police criminality, it was exposed. Speaker sir, I take this opportunity to put it on record that a lot of central politicians, officers, yes, soglangeli inga Goyan property high. Property high, Speaker sir, जायते proxy नावान पण आहे. जायते minister आली, सोगल्यांनी. Speaker sir, LAQ जोरी तो आमी चोयल्यार, आमका जबाब दिला की with this particular Asagaon incident, that the inquiry is in progress and no role of any police officer has been established. If there was no role, जाल्यार तांकां suspend कित्याक केले? जे आहले ते तांकां suspend कित्याक केले? Because it is clear that म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय the state home ministry basically has failed. आता ज्या पद्धतीन crimes against women are rising with convictions as minor exceptions. Anik, if you look at the cyber crime आजे जेन्ना आमी उलयले Speaker sir, आज our police force seems to be underprepared when it comes to cyber crime. आमचे कडेन एक high proactive cyber cell म्हाका दिसता that works with other agencies establish जावपाक जाय. फक्त ही complaint register जाताय. जेन्ना complaint register जाताय, registering of cyber complaint is no way to tackle the actual cyber crime. Apart from फक्त लोकांक advise करप आनीक detection and prevention हे म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय cyber crime हुंय ना हुंय we have basically failed. Drugsचे मागीर येता Speaker sir. I have seen जे म्हाका दिसता आज the way drug menace also आयच्या दिसाकूय आनी एक raid I think about चरस गांजा हे हिंग गोंय सारके मेळत आसा वाडत आसा. Speaker sir, आज एक म्हाका दिसता after this Asagaon incident bouncer and police there seems to be some connection. We saw it for the first time in the open in 2024. And this could be just a tip of the iceberg. Kidak aaj amka dista outside police station people are agitating, demanding for filing of FIRs, demanding for arrest. Ye goy pol kenna jaina halne Speaker sir. Speaker sir, 2024 an for development zali with regards to the Home Department is absolutely shocking. And maga dista these are indicators that the people are losing faith in the police. Ata when we speak about crime against tourists, I think the Canadian government advises its female citizens to be careful while traveling to Goa. J advisory maga dista is still active only with pertaining to Goa and Delhi. Because of when due to high rates of violence against women, you need to check, speak to the External Affairs Ministry, speak to the double engine and get this clarified. Because of Delhi and Goa and which state na. Because we know that Canada they have passed a advisory the crime against tourists.
Canadian?
Delhi and inga te azun bair kadna temi. ते मातशें उलय ते मागीर हें कितें जाता तेचो
ताका सांगलें
तेका खबर आहा ती Speaker sir, जे 3 कायदे नये पास केले with the Indian Penal Code anik I believe that they are passed. Now I am pointing out about the changes in laws. म्हाका दिसता without mindset जोरी तो लोकांनी if the department fails to make sure that the mindset, attitudes and the functioning of the police, Magadista, the police department functioning will be less effective. Todeshe amgele hai that project themselves as saviors. It's because of basically gaps in orientation, training of police officers and personal department aje hui na hui chukta. Ye Magadista Mukhel Mantri nejer laksh galpak jay. Jelicher aw magir eta pun crimes in jails, reports of drugs, jail administrations, all these things need to be looked into very, very seriously. And that's because, sir, जे road accidents जाता, आणि with regards to road accidents, last calendar year, एक 5 दिसांनी 5 deaths in 1 week. And if you look at the figures because of this year, from January to April 2024, 852 accidents have taken place, out of which 99 people have lost their lives, 130 people were grievously injured, and 276 got minor injuries. It's because answer jenna amka department dita te mutai kon tukko rati घेताय, drink and driving, irresponsible driving, stray cattle, animals. If these are all the basic reasons given to us, but hui na hui maga distas because accidents are killing people like insects. And if you look at the way this is rising, Honorable Chief Minister needs to look at it. I believe the GCCI and GIM has also written to you to reduce these road accidents. The improvement of road infrastructure, law enforcement agency hui na hui hum fail jata hai. I believe because this is something that is a very, very serious thing. आता सायबर क्रायमाचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना मुखेलमंत्री बाब जो तुगेलो हेल्पलायन नंबर हा 1930 सायबर क्रायम पोर्टल हावेवर त्या क्रायम्स जे पडे आहा त्या पोर्टलाचेर चलले ते उणे जायनाय उणे कित्याक जायनाय बिकॉज सर 300% रायज आहाय 300% रायज इन सायबर क्रायम सिन्स 2020 एज पर दी NCRB स्टॅटिस्टिक्स पडे आहाय ते अकॉर्डिंग टू देम इट्स बिकॉज 21 to 22, only one person has been convicted. There cyber crime pade ha. This is something that hobar ha. In Elton Bab na, konager mobile na nu kit gelne, takachko. Te magi azun teje zap na. Hobar ha tuga keslo video an kit zalo te. Yach sabagran zalne te avada. Punte magi azun ek case zori to tum zagyar gai nahi. Zalar magi ek case conviction zaleli ha. Because you have said that you are strengthening your cyber cell. So what are you going to strengthen? You need to incorporate what technology, what is better for so that these cyber criminals are nabbed. What is the technology that you will use? It's because आता main homage under जो casino ha. आता yeah casino chase because this comes under the purview of the Home Department, and I believe that this is basically a curse to Goa, and basically people in Goa have suffered and are continuing to suffer. मुखेलमंत्री बाब एमाचे ऐक कापराल एक मिनिट ये कसिनो पडे हा ही तुगेली संस्कृती न्हू म्हाकाय खबर हा तुगेली इट्स नॉट योर कल्चर it is not your culture. So I'm just trying to tell you this is a very serious thing. It doesn't suit Goa. Whether you are going to look into it time and over again, म्हाका दिसता तुमी देवला saying that how got revenue generate कोताय कोणान हाडले आनी मागीर आम कित करपाचें ते बंद करा स्पीकर सर कित्याक जे 349 crores जेन्ना revenue you are supposed to receive आमी ती नाव गेली. When will you receive about these land casinos? Have you written to them? ते दुस तुवें गुगली गायली की कोण कोटा हा तो अजून ऑन आहे ग्रँड हायता एक्झाम्पल सांगत तुका सगळ्यांगे नाव घे नाव. So write a letter to them, otherwise we will have to agitate. माननीय मुखेलमंत्री 349 crores when you will recover ती आमकां सांगचे. स्लॉट मशीन जे चलतय हांव तुकाय शाबासकी दिता गेले त्या पुसाय काणकोण तुवें बंद केलें तुगे उदाहरण घेनाय मुखेलमंत्री सांगलें आनी आमगे हांगा कुंकळ बंद आहा ते मशीन हें बंद आहा कितें ऑनलायन गॅमलिंग इतले भुरगे हाऊ मेनी यंग पीपल हॅव लॉस्ट देयर लायव्स बोटीचे जे जोटाले ते थिंग दिसा भितर मोडक्या भाशी थिंग मोडक्या नंबर तर सकाळी एक येता राती एक येता हिंग मिनट्यान एक नंबर आनी हूंय ना हूंय इतले लायफ लोकांगेले काबार जाता. बट माननीय मुखेलमंत्री हांव मागोता the government of Tamil Nadu has come with some app that can trace. I gave you a suggestion last time. Please look into it, whether you can track them. Because these apps, because Don inga hai, Don je pade hai, je operator hu, eklo amke Elton Babing na, je maga dista headquarters. Or Don inga ha te Don open close Don to open hui jata close hui jata jaite bashi. Te sagle khabar ha, पण action घे नाही. हेडक्वार्टर हुई इथिंग फातोड्डा हा मग सांगताय सगळे जाण मग काय जायना स्पीकर तुका
डॉन तू हांगाच म्हणटा सभागृहांत
गोंय आहा गोंयांत
हां गोंयांत
हां
हांव म्हाका दिसता तूं हांगा
Because,
सभागृहांत आस म्हणून
आतां जे हे ऑफ शोर कसिनो आहाय हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता तुवें यू हॅव टू लूक एट दीस व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियसली ऑफ शोर कसिनोचें जें डेफिनेशन आशिल्लें इनिशियली आय बिलीव जे तांकां रिलोकेट कोत्तले म्हूण when will you relocate them or every time you give them extension 6 months 12 months it is एक प्रथा जाल्या are you I've said ही तुगेली संस्कृती न्हू it is not in your culture will you work on it or still more extensions will you give हेजेर मातशें हांग जबाब दी मागीर तूं लास्टा जबाब दिना म्हाका मातशें एक कोण there is some one small this that is why I'm speaking first मातशें दी हांव मागीर तुका जाता
पयलीं दिवपाचो
because sir जें आज part the bad name as Goa has got with casinos. I believe that how are you going to change it? One fellow was saying he would change it in 100 days. I don't know what happened after that. They siding ela sole change जाता है. So माचे हे कितें ना कितें तुवें हेजेर एक कायदो काडपाक जाय. Because sir home departmentaचे जेन्ना उलयतना temples, churches and other religious places. If you look 35 cases have been taken place with robberies and other religious places from 2022 till date. This is your what your answer says. Safety जे बाउन्सराचे जे चलतात तुवें पयर रिप्लाय दिली की सेक्युरिटी एजन्सी रेग्युलेशन एक्ट 2005 दे कम अंडर दॅट बट हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता बिकॉज 9 कंप्लेन्स आर रजिस्टर्ड आनी एज हे तुमी जे बाउन्सराक घेवन भावताय युआर ओके बट जे दुसरे प्रायवेट बाउन्सराक घेवन भावता ते बंद जावपाक जाय ते बंद करा तुमी मंत्री जरी तर सगळे बाउन्सराक घेवन भोवल्यार मागीर ते हें जावपा कित्याक म्हाका दिसता स्पिकर सर हूंय ना हूंय ही मॅसेज रॉंग वयता आतां कमिंग बॅक टू द ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स आनी एक्सिडंट स्पॉट्स 33 accident prone zones 33 black spots from 2023 till year the surface transport minister you had asked for 100 crores and I think I don't know whether it has been sanctioned whether it has been approved yeah black spot ache if you look at the accidents I pointed out 900 sumar accidents in the last 4-5 months so many people have died apart from dying there are so many injured because sir hejer upay kiten development kela but development jori tor bad engineering and you don't have the foresight hui na hui maka dista you have to look into this rectify it and give us an answer when you because last 2 years we are asking about these black spots because sir crime against women je figures if you look from 2020 till date it says 1232 cases are registered and 154 cases are registered in this year from January to June. So this graph is also going high. I think you need to prepare an action plan to first control the crime against women and take steps for speedy trials. And कित्याक जाता ते म्हाका दिसता it is increasing every year. So you need to look into this because आता FIR mo तुवें जेन्ना budget speech तुवें announcement केलें because I would like the Honorable Chief Minister to tell us कि this FIR, what has happened to this? Has it been started? What are the benefits that the common man could get through it? Is something that you need to tell us. Headquarter, जे तूं बांदता मुझ सांगला खूंय सांग्यार फातोर्डा एशी बांदीत तूं आम सांगला तुका थिंग शांदोर तें सात चलना मो हांवें तुका पयर सांगिल्लें कुंकोळती मातशी एक गाडी धाड मो तेंगे ती बॉन्ड पडत आहा आज सकाळ हांको पियान फोन मारला की आनी ते क्रिमिदोर आमी धांवत रावतले तुमगे ती गाडी जरी तर पावना जाल्यार बिकॉज हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता यू लूक एट दीस इट्स व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग पुलीस स्टेशनूय उदो पावता सो हूंय ना हूंय तुवें चोयचें बारीकशें चांदोरचे गांवांत जें आमचें एक चॅक पोस्ट आहा आउटपोस्ट तो आउटपोस्ट आनी इज आउटडेटेड थिंगान गेल्या सारको भूत बंगलो सो आय हॅव रिटर्न टू यू लास्ट इयर यू प्रॉमिस्ड मी यू वूड डू इट मातशें फातोर्डा बी हें जाता तें मातशें एशी मातशें इलें सायडी बी हांकां इलें कोण दी सगलें थिंगा कोनाका स्पिकर सर जे मडगांव फातोर्डा एकूच स्पिकर सर विथ रिगार्ड्स टू दी एंटी ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंग युनिट हे जे निर्भया फंड आहा 13.5 लाख रुपयाचे प्रोविजन केला I believe that this is the need of the hour but with this anti-human trafficking cell because what provision you can explain that what is the process that they do with this anti-human trafficking if you can speak get a reply and tell us how do they operate and whether it is a success because there's only 13.5 lakhs of provision made because under budget head 03 with regards to police of the coastal security. Anik forensic science and laboratory for the last 2 years, Speaker sir, under provision of this, Speaker sir, the Chief Minister should tell us why no provision has been made. Last year also, this year also. The coastal security and police area, whether some other grants is substituting, you just check and let us know. Speaker sir, similarly, BA budget head 02 with regards to Indian Reserve Battalion, there are no funds have been provided. So why no funds have been provided? Whether you are supplementing it from somewhere else, please let us know. Speaker sir, I believe that with the outdated vehicles across the state, police vehicle, equipment is outdated, SIT investigations I brought it to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister, transfers took place when investigation was going on. There was, a lot of people also demanded properties. म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्री हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय and resolve this issue. And कोण हे सगळे हिंगा हितून हे जाता ते because जेन्ना कालच्या दिसाक 6/8/2024 हांव आतां बसून आन्सर चोयतालो as per your reply LAQ 1B from March 2022 to March 2024. Speaker sir, आज जोरी तोर murder चोयल्यार from 2020 till date 146 murders जाले. Kidnapping from 2020 till date 391 cases. Rape from 2020 till date 555 cases. Molestation from 20 till date 498 cases. So Speaker sir, हुई ना हुई चोयल्यार ये figure वाडत हा. हे वाडट कित्या मुखेलमंत्री हेजेर आमकां दिसता लक्ष घालून आन्सर दिवपाक जाय. Speaker sir, जेल्साचे उलयतना आज you have Honorable Chief Minister has said that he would provide solar panels on the rooftop to the extent of the central Kolwale jail by spending 1 crore. हे गायला काय कितें ते solar panel गायला. Speaker sir, today if you look जे Kolwale जे jail ha, it has become, Speaker sir, what is happening beyond its wall is spoken about all across the country. Manya Mantri, Mukhyamantri, Telangana police have stated that one of the biggest countrywide drug racket operates from the central Kolwale jail. This is the statement of the Telangana police. Speaker sir,
because the Telangana police किती म्हणटलो आणि तो आम्ही already जे आपण त्याचे speaker sir already त्याका letter बरयला आणि त्याका झाला already home minister को letter
Hyderabad policean Anik Telangana Anti-Narcotics Bureau conducted a raid. A raid was conducted for a rave party in a 5-star Gachibowli mu. Tinga tenka raid conduct kota astana he sogle input mena. Ata Speaker sir, you write Chief Minister abure martu. My reply kidela.
Reply jula jane aju.
At tunge ham support kotto. Ha? Mar matu phone marani sir. My mak sang sanje. Chandrababu mar phone te kan sang kid reply ha gamo. Speaker sir, Kolwale jail.
Weli barelle te matla janna.
Ama reply ilna. Na mas check kore serious. To amut akke Kolwale jail is the biggest crime activity happening. Speaker sir, na buroil te zale my reply mache sangam ka. Mache ulo itun te kode. Speaker sir, Kolwale jail je cell phone in the 100 100 लोकांक फोन मेळे आनी ते तुवें कोणा बरयतो तूं हे तुगेले
सगळे सीज केले आमी
सीज केले ते जाल्यार आजून चलते थिंगा एक बायल घेवन वयता भितर आमकां रिपोर्ट मेळा की भितर घेवन वयता तो दवरते का. स्पीकर सर, लास्ट मंथ दिस अ व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग. 14-year-old girl that was raped. Basically, rape survivor was traumatized again when she received a call from that fellow who raped. The 44-year-old person called her and threatened her. This is very serious because jeli zori tor munis e bhashen korpa laglas because I believe they are sent by the court to face their sentence. And their phone man jo jelintlan zori anko dhamki diupa lagale. Salar hui na hui. I believe that this is a very serious thing. You have to make sure that this jail is not converted for criminal activities. Tinga dusre je oloina पयर दिसताले कोण व्हिडिओ शूट हें काण सारके शूटिंग काण बी ते टाक 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 कसो सार भोंवताले ते व्हिडिओ भायर येताले पयले. थिंगसो हें ऑपरेट जाता जाल्यार मातशें तूं तेजेर हें लक्ष घाल. रिप्लाय घे आनी हें सारकें सांग. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकिंग ऑन द फायर एंड एमर्जन्सी सर्विसीस, आज when we asked, I believe that this department is ill-equipped to get 1,106 just sanctioned staff as per reply. 900 available staff and 260 vacant post hai. 86 firefighter vacancies hai. 58 operator vacancy hai. LAQ jenna ami magile ke fire brigade hunch model hai kamo sogle je congress in adle bichole 2000 Porvore 2008 Mapsa 2006 vehicle Pilen 2008
उपरांत सगळे कितलेशे जाल्ले काँग्रेसीन खंयचे हाडले 10-15 वर्सां जाली
हाय म्हाका लेटेस्ट मॉडल लेटेस्ट ती दिल ती ही आहा रे ही भायर मारो जाता स्पीकर सर सारकीच आनी एक प्रश्न जे ड्रायव्हर आहे विथ द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आय थिंक तेंगे प्रमोशन बिकॉज ऑफ सम नोट हेज बीन लेफ्ट तुवें जरी तो तरी लक्ष घाल्ल्यार म्हाका दिसता सेवरल ऑफ दॅट हेजेर तुवें मातशें why should they suffer? तुका खबर आहा तो इशू about the driver's promotion. मातशें बरोय तूं मातशें हांगा ते आन्सर दी दितलो मात तूं मागीर तूं ना ते पेज झाप कोरून मागीर कांय दिना आज लास्ट दीस बिकॉज सर जे विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे जेन्ना उलयतना बेजिकली दी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर यूज वर्ड्स एंड न्यूट्रल लोकां आपूण म्हणजे थिंग विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाक घातो इन योर बजेट स्पीच आय रेड इट सो पयलीं आहले ते कितें कोताले सो मेनी केसीस आर पेंडींग and it's right that he put so poil itli or santa ki case pending allo why were they pending so neutral munis ye kon in the department you please tell us department anto tu gaile tuge jor tu chukon party che muncha bi thing bitor gaile sala that then department an solve pana kidak because je man power training ani je equipment tank diupa jay te equipment huina hui tanka te paw nai 2019 till dates because of so many training camps alna seminars alna conferences alna what is the vigilance department doing speaker sir एक रिप्लाय मुकोडे हा की हांवें गॅजेट्स कितें हांवें कामो विचारलें म्हाका हें मेळ्ळा की तेंकोडे एक सोनी कॅसट रिकॉर्डर आहा कॅसट रिकॉर्डर आनी खुंयच तेंपाचो कॅसट रिकॉर्डर कॅमेरा सोनी सायबर शॉट सोनी हेडफोन आनी इयरफोन हें इक्विपमेंट हांव आन्सर दिलां and speaker sir I don't know how the vigilance department has to you have to empower the Goa Lokayukta also speaker sir home guard आणि civil defenseचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना जे रेग्युलरायज तांकां करपाक जाय more than 15 years हो issue is something that is across सगळे constituencyचे ते आहाय
स्पीकर सर ताका खबरूच ना पयले फावटी होमगार्डांक जर रेग्युलरायज करून पुलीस केले आसत जाल्यार ते गोंय
आनी उल्लेय तेंक कोर मुटा
अरे उल्लेय तेंकाय करता खंयच्या स्टेट
उल्लेय तेंक मुळें
ताका 10 वर्सां सर्वीस कंप्लीट जाल्या उपरांत होमगार्ड
उल्लेय कितले उल्लेय
स्पीकर सर ताका सांग हेच्या पयलीं केन्नाच जावंक नाशिल्लें
जावंक नाशिल्लें आतां अजून जाय मातशें आतां कोर तूं उलय तेंगे कोर स्पीकर सर आतां येता सारकें पीडब्ल्यूडीचें येतना स्पीकर सर ना हिंगा वन्स अपॉन अ टायम सिनियर मेंबर सुदीन बाब आको सदां आसतालो हांवें जायत पुसा चोयलें हुंयच्यान वच पीडब्ल्यूडी म्हणटा ते कोडे मागीर ते आंत अंकलाक आहलें हांवें ना म्हणला बट तेको चड तेको आहलो स्पीकर सर हें जें तूं कोर आतां हय स्पीकर सर जें इट वेंट फायनली टू अदर मिनिस्टर्स ते काळो आतां जो बोवाड मारता म्हाका तरी दिसोता ते मेटमू पत्तें तो बोवाड पड मारता तेजें कोटा की बरें पावल मू तेगेलें बोगलें तेच खात मेट जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना बट स्पीकर सर एनीवेज इट इज गॉन टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर your provision of 2975 crores is you've given a hike of 10.75% over the revised estimates of last year. Because you have mentioned about a pothole, je hodde pod rastyar baunte. Hodde disti podpanay mo hank utor dilne aaj. It is a very serious thing and even the chief minister knows it. That ye hodde aaj sogle wadle. Itle hodde pod wadle goyembor. Hui na hui you said that you would fast track it. App is there. But that app, for instance, is not enough with the about. So it looks at substandard work carried out by the contractor. Aaj, speaker sir, hui na hui choilyar. This is something that is very, very important. PWD, with regards to your new water treatment plant, you have proposed 25 MLD in Ganje, in Tuye, 30 MLD, 10 MLD in Pale. Ye sogle zori tor choila maga disa tuye. You have to start the work. There is no doubt about it because आज फिगर जोरी तो चोयल्यास because sir 38% नॉन रेव्हेन्यू वॉटर पड जाता इज बिकॉज ऑफ लिकेजीस ऑफ द सप्लाय चेन. आनीक मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां इन द बजेट यू हॅव सेड दॅट यू आर गोइंग टू मेक स्मार्ट वॉटर युटिलिटी स्टेट. हर घर जल म्हणून सांगलोलें आनी ते हर घर जलाचे आनी मातशें रावन येता पूण हे स्मार्ट वॉटर युटिलिटी वॉट इज द पर्पज. बिकॉज नॉन रेव्हेन्यू you said your focus will be on non-revenue and water reduction program. So you please explain to us, including advanced metering and replace of the old pipe. Because I believe that we are running out of time. Anik water pipeline burst, this is a major issue. 10 to 50% of the pipes have been replaced. Everyone wants it to be replaced all across. So what is the plan? Kidak udka timer तो म्हणून लावलो 24 वर उदो दिता. काब्रालान आन्सर साथ दिल्लो 4 वर तरी पावतलो. सकाळ संकल्प म्हणटालो केन्ना केन्ना 2 वर येत. आनी कितली वर येतली ते तुवें हांगा दिचें उतर. आज सद्या तो एकलो म्हणटालो 24/7, एकलो 24/4, एकलो म्हणटालो 2 वरां. कितली ते तुवें दिचें तें म्हाका तुवें सांगचें. बिकॉज आमचो जो मेन अलायनमेंट आहा हिंगान टाक्को नाका, मातशें लाडू दिनाका कुंकोळेचो बायपास. बोमा जाल तेज्या परस जातलें सारकें. हें अप्रूव जाल्लें हिंग गेल्लें. आय रेज्ड इट विथ यू विथ रिगार्डिंग टू दॅट बायपास थिंग. दॅट हॅज टू बी बिल्ट ऑन द स्टिल्ट्स. नाल्यार दुसरें बोमा जातलें आनी थिंग आख्खें कोलॅप्स जातलें. हें तूं अप्रूव कोन्न हाड मातशें. बिकॉज फायनान्शियल टेक्निकली इट वॉज अप्रूव्ड. अपवर्ड रूट आहा फ्रॉम दांड्यावाडो टू पांजोरकोणी. हें तुवें अप्रूव केल्लें. काब्रालानूय जेन्ना अप्रूव केल्लें हें आनी ते पयर पांडे बारा तो आहलो तो एक मिटींग गेल्ली. स्पिकर सर, I request the Honorable Chief Minister, please look at this very, very seriously, because displacing the people there is something that we will not tolerate. The people of Kunkolim will not tolerate. Speaker sir, I believe you take the credit of national highways, Zuari Bridge, Atal Setu, all is good. I'm not saying you've not done development, but if you look, lot of leakages, a lot of they say complaint of substandard. तो एकलो पड आहा नातू ओ जावं तो हांवें नांव गेलें तें गेलें ताका मातशें आपय ते कडेन मातशें ताका ब्लॅक लिस्ट कर. IIT ते येतले आनी तें म्हाका खबर ना तें हें मुखार जावपाचें जावपा न्हू तें मातशें जे हे. स्पिकर सर, आमचे मेन प्रश्न पळय हाय सब स्टँडर्ड वर्क इज हॅपनिंग एंड यू नीड टू सेट देम बाय एन एग्जाम्पल, टर्मिनेट देम, blacklist them. I hope you take this because very, very seriously. कित्याक थोडोसो जरी तो drizzle also, with a drizzle also आज हुई ना रस्ते सारके they get washed away. In my constituency personally तुवें उतर दिलें थिंग ते आमी इंजिनियरा फोन मारले ते येयले पूण ते म्हणटा आनी कांय करूं जायना. मग एक दीस जालें कालचे राती हांको पावस पडले हांको बुडोलें. हें हुई ना हुई. स्पिकर सर, whether the PWD has to be named as the Poor Works Department, I don't know. Speaker sir, with regards to unscientific road and engineering, particularly at the bypass at Davli Ponda, a lot of deaths have also taken place from directly to Farmagudi by passing through Ponda or stretch Padha. What is your plan towards this particular stretch? Udka accumulation sagla jata. This is because of poor design, poor engineering, poor quality works. This is one of the prime reasons. Because आता कला अकॅडमीचे येता. कला अकॅडमीचे जेन्ना उलयतना स्पिकर सर आमी सांगलोलें की एक ज्युडिशियल इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय म्हणून. बिकॉज PWD हॅज एक्झिक्युटेड दीज वर्क्स. दीस हॅज कॉस्टेड crores of rupees without taking into confidence the artist. आर्टिस्टा जेन्ना गेले स्पिकर सर जे लिकेज जाला इन द Dinanath Mangeshkar auditorium and the black box. I have personally also seen it. Seepage is there to the walls. Wallantlan, udo eta, lineintlan, electricity thingas, because everything is wet. AC unit padaha, to shift जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो थिंग वयर गायला. Light, sound, acoustic, एका जे म्हाका दिसता technically चोयल्यार they are all outdated. They are found because of substandard. I am surprised how, because of the PWD executed these works related to this. Jenna technical munis astana, because I myself, the equipment is old, sound is not. So somehow he meeting kalakara baratu kenna getlo held accountable whether PWD did it, because PWD has supplied this particular thing. Accountability has to be taken place. Nala kitko jatle. लिकेज जायना म्हणून हांव पर्सनली हांव तें व्हडलें हें कोना स्पिकर सर बट आय हॅव सीन आम थिंग सोकला हें गेलें त्या दोना अनदर रूम बिलो द ब्लॅक बॉक्स ऑल वॉटर वॉज कमिंग इन द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वायर्स ऑल्सो दिस इज रिस्की स्पिकर सर स्पिकींग अबाउट वॉटर आनी सॅनिटेशन म्हाका दिसता की इट इज नॉट ओन्ली इन पेंजीम इट इज ऑल अक्रॉस सांग्यार सालिगांव पेडणे बिचोले बार्देस सगळे कडेन म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय वॉटर स्कॅसिटीचो प्रॉब्लम आहा जें बजेट 22-23 तुवें म्हाका दिसता यू हॅव ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर मेड अ प्रोविजन ऑफ 696 crores however what you spent was only 382 crores because 50% only you spent so under allocation कित्याक जालें it was supposed to be it had to be executed because हूंय ना हूंय म्हाका दिसता that आज रस्त्याचेर जे हड्डे आहाय you show us the roads that where there are no potholes it is absolutely there PWD has done poor works जे constructed court premises and the court premise जे बांदिले 120 crore और ते जे oil हे आले छत जे आले जे the top roof it got blown away without inaugurating only so speaker sir हूंय ना हूंय जे आमकां सकाळीं कालच्या दिसाक आमी उलयले अबाउट सेवरल बिल्डिंग्स दीस बिल्डिंग्स बिकॉज जे वर बेजिकली 167 अनसेफ आहले गेले त्या वर्साक आतां 381 जालीं वाय दीड 214 in 1 year increase हूंय ना हूंय तुवें सांगलां यू मेड 600 crores of provision but please make sure that this happens the PWD department Speaker sir, it should not become like postal works department. कित्याक हिंगा engineer and staff जे तुगे हाय they are looking like postal employees. हांव कित्याक सांगता स्पिकर सर तूं सायन मान दिता कोणागेली आडयना तेज मुखार कितें जाता तें कांय कोणा हें लाडू जाल्यार खबर ना टायम कितू 2-3 वर्सां रावपाची स्पिकर सर हें कन्सल्टंट जे पड अपॉयंट केलाय PWD कन्सल्टंट जे अपॉयंट केलाय PWD ना हांव मुगे ते लिस्ट दित तुका कितले सायन मारले ते फायल प्रोसेसूच जायनाय MLA लेडाची हांव उलयना MLA लेडा आतां फंड कॅरी फॉरवर्ड जाता गेले एवरी इयर कॅरी फॉरवर्ड चालमा तुका
MLA लेडीज
स्पिकर सर आतां हे कन्सल्टंट जे पड अपॉयंट केलाय दे डू शो लेस थिंग टू द PWD डिपार्टमेंट एंड मोर लॉयल्टी टू द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स आनीक म्हाका दिसता स्मार्ट सिटी जाल ते भाशेन जरी तर मुखार जालें जाल्यार आमकां सगल्यांक त्रास जातले स्पिकर सर आज आयच्या दिसाक आय वॉज ट्रायंग टू गेट टू युअर अटेंशन टुडे देर वॉज अनदर व्हिडिओ दॅट सर्फेस आउटसायड GMC and the blockage traffic congestion if some heart patients have to be taken in they are all sark choco block next day you send some people there through the PWD they try to clean but that is not the solution because when GMC is there whatever needs to be done patient taken into the sent to GMC itself is a serious thing an ambulance passage जरी तर ब्लॉक जाता हूंय ना हूंय तुवें तेजेर एक कितें ना कितें उपाय काडपाक जाय स्पिकर सर जेन्ना आमी एक हांव तुका दाखोवन दिता डिफेक्ट्स DLP मो आसता DLP that is defects liability period आनी आमी प्रश्न विचारले now this is the second time I had asked last time in January this defect liability period speaker sir is for works awarded and repairs जरी तो रस्त गेले जाल्यार the contractor has to repair this at their own cost anik I had asked for details of the quality control check conducted by JE to principal chief engineer of MSRITES this is a central government agency of various road works from 2019 till date हांवें विचारलें की बाबा कितें काम कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा बी जबाबदार दोल कामू ते इतू बिजी आहाय जानेवारी सो आन्सरू दिनाय म्हाका स्पिकर सर जानेवारी सो आन्सरू दिनाय म्हाका स्पिकर सर आय वॉन्ट टू ब्रिंग इट टू युअर नोटीस जानेवारी आमी हाडलें आद दे सो सारके इतले स्किलफूल एकूय आन्सर दिनाय हाऊ मेनी हॅव यू डन बिकॉज आय हॅव एन RTI यू टेल मी युअर आन्सर देन आफ्टर आय वील टेल यू वॉट इज माय आन्सर टू दी RTI स्पिकर सर म्हाका दिसता this is a very serious thing which you can catch these contractors accountable to do if substandard work zala all the MLAs will agree that throughout the constituency it is happening 2-3 or 2-3 वर्सां हुंयच रस्त सारको उरता चुकोन उरता स्पिकर सर हूंय ना हूंय हेजेर you have to act as per that act स्पिकर सर जे नॅशनल हायवे बांदले त्या नॅशनल हायवे भायर toilet, washroom, drinking water. Is there any provision or any facility that the Honorable Chief Minister is planning to do? Je Cabral Bab, last 6 months ago, when he was PWD Minister, at that time he said that there was a provision. And so Honorable Chief Minister now sangche whether this proposal has been moved. And especially आता वेर्ना जंक्शनाचे जे कंजेशन जाता तो मोठ 40 मिनटान पावताय मग थिंग 10-20 मिनटां थिंग उताय आमी तो मोठ ब्रिज केल्याय मग हिंगसो हिंग पावपा थिंगाय मातशें कितें कोर
थिंगाय करता
स्पीकर सर जे म्हाका दिसता आमी बाणालेचे जो बाब वेंजी सांगतालो फॉर bypass to be built on stilts and last time 6 months back he raised this issue through calling attention. Today, at that time you said because NGT, High Court, Anikon not required. Today you see the state there. Because the recent rain fury has presented the truth and reality. Soglenting are blocks because the entire area has got flooded. So whether you will look into this type of things, Boma is a prashna. What is your thing? Are you with the same formula? And Boma kelte mashe kunkod mash ko naka. Speaker sir, speaking on water supply, आज 131 crores you have spent. Kabar Goda. Speaker sir, 131 crores you have spent on contractors, consultants, and you said Har Ghar Jal. Because the reality is Panjim, Mapsa, Vasco, they are facing acute water problem. Speaker sir, I'll give you this fact, Honorable Chief Minister. I WRDA question gatlolo ki regarding dynamic groundwater resources. आणि हे जेन्ना हो रिपोर्ट येलो माननीय चीफ मिनिस्टर हेमाचे आयक 62% of the groundwater as per WRD is extracted for domestic purpose. 62% of the water that they extract. 33% is for irrigation and 5% is for industries. So a lot of people are depending on this Har Ghar Jal. Yeah, maga dista if you counter check your figures get exposed. Because when will this government be able to give 24/7? Sudin Babilo. So 24/7 तेगे स्वप्न आशिल्लें 24/7 उदो दिवपाक ते मागीर काब्रालान 4 और केलें तूं कितें और कोतो तें हांगा मातशें सांग स्पीकर सर जे बिल्डिंगाचें हांव उलयना वी हॅव टोल्ड यू अबाउट द सिग्निफिकंट लास्ट स्पीकिंग ऑन फायनान्स and that's because of few things I would like to point out to the Honorable Chief Minister. The public debt of the state of the government is something that we are being debating. It's something I jenna number adle त्या वेळार ना नंबराचे उलयना आनी हेच ना तेच ना केला but this is a very serious thing. I am strictly speaking on what I have seen in the CAG report. Today you will place the CAG report. If I find something in that, I will again point it out to you. Speaker sir, our Chief Minister takes satisfaction that the public borrowing is within the FRBM Act. You say you can borrow even more. I feel this is a rogue. हें एक दुयेंस आनी तूं एक दोतोर तुवें तें दुयेंस मारपा तूं इंजेसांव मारतालो टॅबलेट कितें दितलो दुसरी टॅबलेट न्हू सारकी तें मार रोग काबार कोन्न उडय आनी घेवपा वचनाकात म्हणाक आपूण आनी लोन बीन गेलना मो हूंय ना हूंय स्पिकर आनीकूय आहा दोतोर तें सारकें तेजें ऑपरेशन कर सार मार तेका फार आनी घेवपा वचनाका स्पिकर सर हें this is basically we are borrowing, we are, your attitude seems to be we borrow, we spend. This is what you are saying, you are within the limit. But ये वाढवता हाँ, वाढपा जोरी तो तू सांगले ना, उनके उन्हें क्या लाजल, I will give you credit. Because I don't know, this is the problem that you are creating for and leaving for your successor also. Maybe you never know who is your successor, whether you will be there, who will be there. But ये जे वाढवता हाँ आज रीन बारीक सो जोरी चोइला because it's rocket high. 31st March 2024, the figure was 27,352. Anik till 30th June 2024, it has increased to 27,489. In this few months, March to June, this has translated to 137 crores. Speaker sir, if you look at the finance minister's statement, what you estimated, कि तू estimate केल्लो 26,605 crores, but the actual thing as of June 30th is 27,489. So you have crossed by almost 900 crores. 8 months are still left to go on your figures, what you have given. Means what you predicted and what has come, because tu kehte mining a kai illa bitor ani sogle हे जाला खिचडी. Speaker sir, 2,000 crore you are paying towards interest. the statement that we are on a, basically, you are saying that we are सारखे सुसेगाद आहे उदो हिंग पावला सारखे हिंगा पण तूं सुसेगाद आहा पण हुई ना हुई हे उदो दिवं हे मातशें उदो दिवं कितें हांव सांगता because we are like a sinking ship, otherwise this is going to be a complete mess. Two things, because I want to got another clarification that the government of, you have said that the government of India has released 1,661 crores for centrally sponsored schemes. Ata, what I saw is there is expenditure only of 757 crores. So central scheme is for 1000 social, you have only 757. Because this is around 50% of the utilization of the amount released on the central schemes. Where is the balance gone is something that the Honorable Chief Minister needs to clarify. Because e-governance korpak तुवें सांगिल्लें ते Axis Bank तुवें भायर मारलें तें बरें केलें म्हणजे तांकां ऑप्शन दिलां पण सगळ्या युनिफॉर्म हितून हाडलां. You said that various banks are done for e-governance, delivering public services. And majority je bank hai, because you said that this would be dispersed through timely measures. I believe this is not true. If you look at the way pensions, now DSS, senior citizen, disabled person, widows to be made for pending hai. So what are we trying to say? 2 महिने 3 महिने आज जरी तर असेंब्ली जाल म्हटरी डिमांडा होऊन ते पयस डिस्पर्स जाते मागीर त्याच नंतर 2-3 महिने उरताय. सो गिव देम सम क्लॅरिटी स्पीकर कित्याक इफ यू लुक तुगे मतदारसंघात पावस जाता आसतले तांकां 2000 रुपया मेळटाय त्यो बायल जाणटे बायल पड आमगे आहाय बँका वयता तांकां 400 रुपया देस्पेस लागता वचपाक बाबा येल रे पयशे कामो थिंग मॅनेजराक वयन जाताय ते पयशे येयले जाल्यार पोत गरोयताय आनी एक 15 दिसान हांको येता आनी एक 400 रुपया.
स्पीकर सर तांकां पयशे येयले काय मेसेज वयता मोबायलाचेर मागीरूच ती पयशे काडपाक वता वो कितेंय सांगता. स्पीकर सर आमी जर रीण काडटा सर जाल्यार रीण एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर रीण आमी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करपाक काडटा आनी ताका कळपा खातीर सांगता FRBM लिमीट न्ही फाटल्या 3 महिन्याक मार्च पासून आता पर्यंत एकूय पयसो रीण काडूना वयल्यान फायनान्शियल मॅनेजमेंट ना
हांव तुवें रीण काडला म्हणा आनी उणकोर
उणोच केला हांवें
हें तूं पळय सांगता आपणाच्यान इतलें करूं जात न्हू आतां तें चेंज केलें तुवें
उणें केला वयल्यान म्हणून सांगता फाटल्या वर्साक 4000 कोटी घेवपाक आशिल्ले
ते आनी नाका
2700 crores
ना हांव कितें म्हणटा हांवें जायत दुसरें जालें तुका तें बरें केलें तुवें गुड दॅट इट इज अ स्टार्ट. But I will congratulate you when you make sure that the figures are down. Figures are swelling. आज it is 35,000 or 37,000 crores. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचे almost 2.5 लाखाचे रीण आहा. This is not figures that I am saying. This is the figures that you give us. Because ये जे लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम आहाय आनी ह्यो सगळ्यो जे आमी उलयले हिंगा I request any Honorable Chief Minister, please make sure that whatever we have spoken, I said it last time as well, you all take a note, all the opposition MLAs, ruling MLAs, there has to be a system. I think before the Chief Secretary is to write down, it is to go through a system. I don't know whether that system has been paralyzed. Please make sure that you do that. Because एक last आयजेर आमी उलयतना की CAG
गिलोटीन आटांक
म्हाका हांव कोत मरे काबार तेला पयलो उलयलां स्पीकर 2 मिनटान काबार कोता. Speaker sir, 31st March 2020, it stated that the off-budget physical operation amounting to rupees 919 crores as per CAG. This resulted in an understating of overall debt by 1.14% of the GSDP. हें हुई ना हुई मुखेलमंत्री नांक सांगपाक जाय. Speaker sir, if you look basically जे फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट आनी मॅनेजमेंट आहा हें काँग्रेस सरकारान 2009 बसयल्लें आयक हांव सांगता. स्पीकर सर, by converting the finance commission into commission cell, आतां थिंगा स्पीकर सर issues relating to RBI matters, open market borrowing, central finance commission, sinking fund, guaranteed redemption fund, FRBM ते खबर आहा वचो येयलो दिगंबर बाबा हें खबर आहा त्याच टायमार जालो हें PSUs, house building, motor car advance, NABARD loan. Speaker sir, whether these system exists now, who's monitoring? Whether this exists now, and my Congress and kind kelna monaka. Whether they are tukli gona.
Government is a continuous process.
Temporary. So Speaker sir, now maga dista hui na hui ऑस्टेरिटी मेजर्स आमी घेतले वो फक्त टू प्रमोट द गव्हर्मेंट पोस्ट फॅक्टो अंडर आनी कितले इव्हेंट जातले इफ यू स्टॉप हे इव्हेंटूय जे तुवें म्हाका आन्सर दिले ते भाशेन आपूण रीण काडना मू हे दुयेंस आपूण मारूं सोदिता तेज पद्दतीन हे इव्हेंटूय मातशे तुवें जरी तर उण केले तुवें समज तुगे फिगर देंवले जाल्यार आय विल कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट थँक्यू स्पीकर
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.